it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. We are on day 5 for sneak peeks. Our release is on October 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. We'll have a brand new box of the month, a junior box, a smaller version of the box of the month, a stamp and die of the month, a stamp of the month, and a paper pad club. You can purchase the products as a one-time purchase, or you could subscribe to our subscription and get an 18% off discount. I wanted to show you the last stamp in the box of the month. This one is called Holly Jolly, and we have a cute little Santa with a present, and then a cute little snowman. We have a candy cane, and I colored all these images to match the sparkling Christmas wishes paper pad. We have a little gingerbread cookie. I colored this Santa here. He looks like he's popping out to surprise you. And then here's a different version of the little snowman. We have an ornament, some holly, and a nice little cup of cocoa or coffee, a little heart ornament. We have a little sprig, and we have some shine marks or snow. We have 2 sentiments, Holly Jolly Christmas, and May your days be merry and bright. So I'm going to create, I think I'm going to create 3 cards using the colored images here. So what I'm going to do is create an A2 size card and a mini slimline card. I have this scallop circle and a stitched circle. I think this sentiment here, this Holly Jolly Christmas, is going to fit perfect in there. So let's get started. So this circle is about 2 1/4 inches high. So I think that is going to be the perfect size for the stamp set. Let's check it out. Yes, that's going to fit in there perfectly. And I'm going to use the VersaFine Claire in Nocturne. All right, so that fit in there perfectly. It looks so cute. That is going to be perfect. So I'm going to glue this onto my little scallop. So I'm adding the white little panel on here. We're going to add a pop of color with the pattern paper. So these 2 patterns I love together with this plaid. So I'm going to use these 3 patterns. Okay, so I'm thinking about doing 4 almost 1-inch strips, since this is 4 inches down and I want a little border. So let's do, and then this way it measures, so I want to cut this about 5 inches. Okay, so we'll cut that about 5 inches, and then we will go and make I think 4 strips. Okay, so 4 strips is gonna do it. So let's lay these down, and I'm gonna try to space them evenly. So I'll probably do the top first and then the bottom, and then work my way to the center, leaving a little border so that white stitching shows. Okay, so that looks pretty. Now let's add the glue to the back of this. All right, then we're gonna have our little Santa presenting the sentiment. Now for my mini slimline card, let's pick out the images I want to use. That way maybe I could use some more images on this card. I think the little gingerbread goes well with the little cup of hot cocoa and the candy cane. I think that could be a cute little scene. So maybe we can do a little Santa or a little snowman with our Santa Claus. And maybe this in the little corner. That looks cute. Yeah, I think that looks cute. And then I could color in those little leaves. Add a touch of color. I'm going to just grab a colored pencil for that. See, you kind of want to match the green on the paper. That's a little bit too bright. Maybe this green. Just a touch of green. I think I'm just going to color one side of the leaf. There we go. This teal color, see if I add a little bit of that, it might bring it closer to the color on the paper. There we go. So I'm going to put the sentiment flat down on the card. We'll pop up our images. Let me add some foam to the back. Okay, there's foam. I kind of like it like that with the little snowman going off to the side like that. So let's add our snowman, or let's add our Santa. All right, we got our cute little characters on there. Let's see, I could dangle this little ornament down in between them. It kind of looks cute. You know, and a little bow would be really cute there. Now I'm wishing I didn't put this one on there. But I think if I add that and then a little bow, let's do that. All right, let me find some twine. Okay, I found this little gold twine. I think I'll use pink enamel dots. Okay, I'm going to add some glue for my bow. Just hold that down for a second. So there's the first card. Let's bring it in closer. Really, really cute. And then for our little mini slimline card, see I have this strip that will fit perfectly on there, left over. Ooh, I kind of like that, but we don't want to do double. Ooh, that one looks really cute. And the polka dots too. Let's do some plaid for the background. And then I really like the polka dots too. For this card, I'm gonna angle the sentiment, "May your days be merry and bright." So I'm gonna take my sentiment, add it where I want it. I'm gonna pick it up and then I'm gonna start maneuvering this so it's on an angle. And then go back and see if it's going to fit in the circle like I want. And I think that looks pretty good, so let's ink that up. Okay, so now our sentiment is a little bit angled. I'm going to glue this down. Okay, let's get this put together. So I left a tiny little border going around. Don't you think sometimes it's easier to line up your panel when you have a thinner border? It's less room for mistake. I'm going to put some peel-off stickers, dividing each of these panels. So do you have a favorite between the collections? Are you preferring the Christmas critters or the sparkling Christmas wishes? I wanted to give you both color palettes, like something non-traditional and then something more with the red and green colors. So I hope this box makes you happy and gets you excited to start creating some holiday cards. I added some gold Love for Lizzie peel-off stickers. I'm going to add my sentiment. Let's see, right about there. We'll have our piece of holly up here in the corner. We'll have our hot cocoa next to our gingerbread guy. And a candy cane. So let's arrange this so it looks a little bit better. There we go. Let's add that in the middle. And then the little gingerbread guy looks like he's presenting the sentiments. That's cute. So I'm going to add the hot cocoa flat. Center that right under the and. And then our candy cane will go there. I'll pop that up and I'll pop him up. And let's see how I want this. I think I want to add foam tape to this one as well. Okay, I have foam tape on my candy cane. And let's see how I want to position that. All right, so let's add our gingerbread guy right about there. And our little holly. Oops, I'm covering up the E a little bit. And I really pressed that down. Let's see if I could shift it just a little bit. Ooh, my. Okay. All right, let's get out some enamel dots. I'm going to put them right here. So I made 2 cards using the Holly Jolly stamp set that will be in your box of the month for October. It turned out super cute. Love that cute little gingerbread. And that little Santa, so adorable. Love that sentiment, Holly Jolly Christmas. Very cute. So both cards have a touch of gold. I think that turned out really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow is the YouTube hop and release day. So don't forget to hop on over and check out all the inspiration. There'll be a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. And tomorrow you can grab your subscriptions. If you're not on a subscription, come join us. It's a fun community. You can share your projects in our Facebook group. We would love to see them. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye guys.